At dawn, as the first light touches the quiet green park, a single dad and veteran named Adam Walker begins his day. It's a peaceful scene, but for so many pieces a luxury they can't afford. Just a few streets over, Brian Collins stands near a line of trees, the weight of the world on his shoulders as he struggles to figure out how to buy groceries for his family. Not far from him, Charles Bennett watches his child play. The sunlight catching in the tall grass, a beautiful moment tinged with worry about the future. On a simple wooden bench, surrounded by whispering leaves, Daniel Morris sits alone with his thoughts, the pressure mounting. This is a story that unfolds every day, in every town. It's the story of Ethan Parker, who recalls his days in service while looking over rolling green hills, wondering if the sacrifices were worth it when life is this hard back home. It's Frank Hughes counting his last few dollars under the shade of an old oak tree, making an impossible choice. It's George Ramirez, hearing the birds sing as he debates between putting food on the table or paying the rent that keeps a roof over his family chest's head. We see Henry Foster, his heart full of love, helping his little daughter cross a grassy field on her way to school, knowing he has to be her rock even when he feels like he's crumbling inside. We see Isaac Turner standing by a flowing river, wiping away tears he hopes no one will see. These are the silent struggles, the hidden battles fought by good people every single day. But this is also a story about hope. Jacob Reed, walking through a field of wildflowers, notices a stranger struggling. His own wallet is empty, but that doesn't stop him. Kevin Brooks steps forward, offering help without a second thought. And then something incredible happens. Liam Cooper, another person who has next to nothing, sits down at a park picnic table and shares his last meal. In that simple act, a light switches on. Michael Evans watches, a smile spreading across his face as sunlight filters through the trees. He sees Nathan Scott give what little he has, not for thanks, but just to give hope. He sees Oliver Diaz under a green canopy, teaching his son that kindness is the most valuable thing we can ever share. In that moment, Paul Jenkins feels a sense of peace he hasn't felt in years, walking barefoot on the cool grass. Quentin Lewis, after doing his own small part, hears the wind whistling through the pine trees, and it sounds like applause. Ryan Mitchell, a witness to this chain reaction, feels a profound realization wash over him. Humanity is still alive. It's breathing. Samuel Carter, who has known his own share of hardship, finds a new kind of strength in seeing this compassion. Thomas Wright looks up at the clouds drifting over green valleys and feels a sense of perspective. Beside a quiet meadow, Umar Khan says a silent prayer of gratitude. For Victor Allen, hearing the birdsong feels like his dignity is returning. And as William Price hugs his child beneath the maple trees, he knows this is the world he wants them to grow up in. Xavier Stone sees this kindness reflected in the beauty of nature all around him. Yusuf Malik smiles, standing near a field of blooming flowers, a mirror of the hope now blooming in his heart. On a forest path, Zachary Hill finally understands what true wealth is. It isn't money, it's this. It's Aaron Phillips offering water from his own bottle to a thirsty stranger by a stream. It's Hess Blake Turner taking the time to give directions to an elder who is lost in the park. It's Caleb Young helping to push a stalled car near the green roadside, and Derek Long donating his spare change without a second thought. This is the sound of humanity. It's Eli Rogers sharing a word of encouragement under a brilliant blue sky. It's Finn Howard finding a renewed sense of purpose near the mountain grasslands. It's Gavin Ward teaching his own kids about kindness, not with words, but with his actions. It's Harold Kim pausing his day to help a stranger who is crying. It's Ian Brooks, standing by a garden fence, choosing empathy over indifference. Jason Bell watches as gratitude blooms like the flowers in that garden, and Kyle Adams feels a weight lift from his shoulders as he walks through the greenery. This is how Logan Perry's faith in humanity was restored. Marcus Reed offers warmth not with a blanket but with his words. Noah Simmons realizes that kindness costs absolutely nothing, yet it's worth everything. Owen Clark walks home through the trees, his heart filled with a hope that wasn't there before. Patrick Wood feels proud again, a feeling he thought he had lost. Ralph Stewart takes a deep breath among the green fields, and the air feels cleaner. Sean Turner sees his child smile, and it's brighter than the sun. Trevor Hall feels a reward that no amount of money could ever buy. Ulysses Grant remembers why he served his country for moments just like this. Vince Carter feels human again. As Wayne Fisher watches the sunset wash over the grasslands, Xander Lopez feels a deep inner peace. Yasir Ahmed knows that today, he planted seeds of kindness that will continue to grow. Zane Roberts now believes with all his heart that humanity will survive. In the quiet strength of nature, Arthur King finds healing. Bruce Coleman feels his dignity return, and Connor Patel walks a green trail feeling completely renewed. Dylan Shah knows his small act mattered. Edward Moore feels a new strength growing inside him. And Felix Turner hears gratitude in the silence that follows a good deed. Grant Wilson watches the leaves fall gently, a reminder that we can let go of cynicism. Hassan Ali smiles with a hope that feels real and tangible. Isaiah Brown walks a little taller. Jonah Scott feels seen and remembered. Kareem Hassan finds peace. Lucas Martin believes again. Mason Lee sees how one act of kindness can ripple outward, and Nolan White learns to trust in the goodness of people. Tariq Mahmood feels proud of the human race. Usman Rasa walks home smiling. Victor Shah sees a light ahead where before there was only darkness. Waqiz Ahmed knows that kindness always wins. Zain Abbas feels respected. Yahya Noor stands strong. Zubair Khan's faith has been restored. Alex Murphy feels the warmth of human connection. Ben Thomas gives without fear. Chris Nolan feels a healing begin deep inside. David Grant smiles again. Evan Ross sees hope growing all around him. Farhan Latif feels a profound sense of calm. Gregory Lane remembers the power of compassion. Hamza Iqbal feels rewarded in his soul. Imran Sheikh trusts that tomorrow will be a better day. James O'Neill truly believes, that kindness spreads. Cameron Siddiq feels peace. Leonard Scott knows that humanity lives on. Kazim Ra feels a pure and simple joy. Rizwan Bashir believes again. Sean Cooper trusts in goodness. Talha Khan feels proud. Ubaid Farouk heals inside. Vlad Turner sees that humanity is vibrantly alive. Wesley Ford smiles softly. Julio Marcu finds peace. Yamin Qureshi feels blessed. Zishan Akram knows kindness wins. Anthony Reed walks forward, his path clear. Bashir Rahman feels renewed. Corey Adams trusts life again. Danish Latif feels strong. Ibrahim Noor smiles gently. Fahad Mirza sees hope everywhere. Gordon Smith can rest easy tonight. Hadi Salman feels human. Irfan Salam knows it all mattered. Junaid Abbas smiles with faith. Khalid Usman stands tall. Latif Hussein feels proud. Mahmoud Rayas breathes peace. Navid Arif sees kindness blooming. Ovey Tariq feels whole again. Saad Yusuf trusts humanity. And it all started with one man, Bilal Noor, whose simple act of sharing proved that humanity isn't dead. Please like this video if kindness still matters to you. Share it with your friends to spread this message, and subscribe to our channel for more real stories that restore your faith in humanity. Thanks for watching.